I begin by putting a 100 milliliter beaker on top of the balance. I need to weigh out 10 grams of the hydroxy-terminated polydimethyl siloxane, which looks and feels like a colorless oil. Then I weigh out the dry ingredients for this experiment. I start out with boric acid, which I need to weigh out 0.80 grams. Boric acid is the cross-linking agent in the reaction. Next, I have to weigh out titanium dioxide, which is the pigment and filler for this reaction. I need to weigh out 2.8 grams. The last ingredient is iron oxide. This is optional. This will just give a different color. Will make the silly putty pink. Then I add all the 3 dry ingredients into a mortar. And grind them together with a pestle until I have a homogeneous pink mixture. The mixture gets added into the beaker with the polydimethyl siloxane. The mixture is stirred with a spatula, turns into like a pasty, thickish liquid. Next, the beaker is clamped securely on top of a hot plate. You have to pay attention that it's sitting flat on the hot plate without any air in between. 2 drops of oleic acid are added to the mixture. And then the hot plate is turned on and set onto full heating. The mixture gets gently stirred during the heating, and for a long time nothing changes. When at a certain point there's a sudden change and I have a viscous mixture that has the consistency of chewing gum, the reaction is done and the beaker can then be moved from the heat. After it's cooled down, I investigate the properties. The mixture is rubbery but not sticky. It breaks when it's pulled apart quickly, but it can be removed from the beaker and the spatula. It is bouncy material, can be molded into shape, but when left on the bench it will begin to flow and over time it will behave more like a liquid.